Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little room transformation. If you guys don't know, I just recently moved into a new house and we've actually been here for about a month, but our room is just not anywhere close to actually being done. So today I'm finally taking the time to actually like really deep clean and organize it. Obviously my stuff's like unpacked. Like I have my bed out, my nightstands, my TV stand, all that stuff. I have a lot of changes that I want to make to the room. So I figured today I would just film it and kind of do a little like decorate slash kind of unpack with me. Hopefully you guys enjoy. My room is extra messy right now because I was filming in here the other day. The first thing that I'm going to do is just a quick little pickup of like all these random clothes and like all the stuff that normally isn't in here. Before we get into it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not subscribed already. And also check out my vlog channel. I'm doing Vlogmas. We are vlogging for every day of December. Link is down below. Let's go ahead and get started.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Alright, so I got the random stuff picked up. Next thing I'm going to do is switch out my sheets. I need to wash these, and I actually just got a second set so that when I'm washing my sheets, I have like other sheets to put on my bed. So I'm super excited because these ones are freshly washed and brand new. I also have a new duvet cover that I got. I'm super excited. So it is in this package. I'm gonna go grab Parker to help me.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Every single time we ever show ourselves like cleaning our room or putting on a duvet cover, we get so many comments telling us to try like a different method. Can you remember what that's called? I need to look it up.
You not told me about this.
Because I was gonna
There's
say
a different method?
it doesn't work. I tried it with my sister the other day. You like roll it up or something. It's like the rolling method. I don't even know, but we couldn't figure it out. We were watching like a tutorial on it and for some reason we just could not get it figured out. So I don't know, but every single time we ever show ourselves putting a duvet cover on it, that's like 90% of the comments. It's like, oh, you should try it this other way. I tried it and it doesn't work. So that method you guys just saw is our go-to, even though it takes forever. Probably. We watched a tutorial though. We could not figure it out. But anyways, I'm super excited because now we're going to be hanging up some lights. We're going to hang them above our bed. I've literally had these probably for like 6 months maybe. So I've had them for quite a while and I've just been waiting until we move. Now we've been living here for a month and they're still not up. So I'm excited to actually be getting them hung up today. If you guys watch our vlog channel, you know that we got a custom IKEA closet. We designed it ourselves with the help of like the IKEA rep person. It did not fit. It showed on the paper that it would fit and then somehow it didn't, even though like the professional person was helping us. So we actually have this piece in here that they like put together and then it didn't fit, so it's not in the closet. We still need to take that back. We need to get that moved out of here. I also have this box that has not been really fully unpacked yet. I don't even know what's in here, but I have this cute print that I want to hang up somewhere. A bunch of Parker's shoes are over here. One of my bags. This is like one of the corners in our room that just hasn't really been touched.
Outshine all like a fresh cut tree.
Okay, so basically there's a little plate underneath here that is like going this way.
Here. Look, this is it.
So
So
like
this is
this.
mounted, and I have it mounted perfectly level. They mounted this thing on here not level, so it's it's faulty. They didn't make it right. So basically what we're gonna have to do is mount this crooked in order
that this
for
is
that to
straight up and down so that this will stay. Because right now,
yeah.
you guys can see, we mounted this straight, but this is totally crooked.
They are singing 'cause love endures. This Christmas is mine and yours.
This is what we mean. This has to be crooked in order for us to correct it and make it straight. We did it on that one and it worked.
I get down on my knees, ring in hand, and you almost choked on your mulled wine.
All right, so we finally got the TV hung up. Next, I want to get this big IKEA thing moved out of here so that I can put like my mirror and my chair where they're supposed to go. Yeah, this thing's like not that heavy, but it's just so tall. It's like really hard to like maneuver it around different places to like get it out of the way. It's gotta go. It has to get out of here. I feel like our room has been such a mess since we moved in, just because I knew I wanted to film this video, so I didn't really worry about like organizing it and making sure it was clean. So now that I'm filming and I see progress being made, it feels so good. And so I literally just want this to be like 100% done right now.
Singing 'cause love endures. This Christmas is mine.
So we got that big thing out of here. It feels so good. I feel like so happy. Now I just gotta figure out where to put my chair and where to put my mirror. So when we first moved in, I had my mirror right here and I really, really liked it. And then I had my chair over in this corner, but I moved the mirror because of the fact that I like to take outfit pictures in here, and if I'm shooting on this wall, the windows are like right behind it, so it just makes the lighting like really, really bad. So I kind of have to put it in a spot where I don't even think that it actually like looks the best, but just for like practical reasons, it needs to be in that corner. So then I don't really have a good place for the chair. I want to put it in this pop-out thing. I don't know if I should put it like on this side or on this side closer to the mirror. So I'll probably, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. In this box, I have these magazines. I used these, it's too dark. So I just had these in my old living room as like decorations, so I don't really have anywhere to put those now. Then I have a couple little books. I used to have these on my nightstands, but now I already have 2 other ones over there. So I have this little triangle guy. This was also on my nightstand, so maybe I'll put this back. Another strand of lights. Is that all that was in here? I feel like this feels heavier. Oh wait. I also have, oh wait, these are my bracelets and stuff. So this goes inside the triangle, probably on my TV stand thing. Then I also have this candle. I also have this bowl. So this has like random like earrings and stuff in it. So now that I have all this stuff unpacked, I think I'm going to kind of like rearrange my nightstands and my TV stands, see what I come up with.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
All right, so I got those rearranged, and now the next thing I'm going to do is take these command hooks, and I want to put 2 hats like right here on my wall. I'm gonna go figure out which ones I want to use. I feel like I put my hats like up there. Oh, I did. I can like barely see them. Okay, how am I gonna get that? This isn't even it. I don't know if I've used these before, but Parker has. I think you literally just stick it on the wall. Okay, so next I have these 2 random bags here. They've been sitting in the corner. Also, I swapped out that hat for a different one, so I think that one looks a little bit cuter. I don't even know what is in this. I think there's only like 2 things in here. This is from when I moved. Computer charger, so I need to plug this in, and a notebook. That was it. Putting this in the trash. I also have this Bath & Body Works bag with all my Black Friday stuff, so I need to put this away, but I think most of it just goes like in my bathroom, so putting that in here for now. Really effective cleaning method. So this is what it's looking like. Next, I need to decide if I want to put this or this right here. The only reason I might not do this is because it's kind of small. I should have gotten a bigger size. So I think I'll maybe do that. And then maybe I can put the peachy thing right here. Then after that, the last thing I'm going to do is actually clean. So I'm gonna get the vacuum the carpet, and get like dusting stuff because this table's super dirty, my nightstands are dirty, my windowsills are dirty. Parker was like standing in them when he was hanging our blinds, so there's literally like footprints. Yeah, we're gonna hang up these last couple things.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
Okay Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with my room. There's a couple small things we need to do, like get something for the cords under the TV and just like random little things like that, but it is mostly done. We got this hung up. I think it's a little bit too small for that spot, but it's all I had, so it's fine. We also got the other one hung up. I got the chair in place and the mirror, so it's looking really good. Let me know if you guys want to see a full room tour with like all the details of where everything's from and a full like better overview. But hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.